bite on two.
Ew. I just ate the whole duck. It's a mental thing. Because it's not nasty, but... Oh my gosh.
I ate the whole duck. But I'll tell you what. I had closed my eyes.
You know the crunchy garlic
when I
sauce.
get into it. It's good though.
This is the
Nothing bad.
crunchy garlic oil.
I had a piece of a shell in mine, but it
Mine was juicy too.
It was juicy.
So they say the bottom of it is like real tough.
Feel like it.